Okay, hello. My name is Evan. You guys know me. I'm in your class. So I'm gonna try doing a little tutorial, because there's a lot of people with issues, especially if you're a Mac and you're trying to get VirtualBox to learn, or maybe VirtualBox is, or I mean, like maybe PSPICE is giving you some trouble. So I'm gonna try going from the start. You're first gonna want to download a VirtualBox 6.1, I think. It's somewhere on the internet. Go download that. Next thing you're gonna want is go to, if you don't have a Windows product key or like an ISO file, go to like CalPoly on the hub Windows or something like that. Where is it? Is it here? Download for personal use. Da, 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 da. Yeah, right there. CalPoly on the hub.com. You'll log in and grab a Windows key, all that stuff. Actually, I can actually just log in, guys. I'm done. I've gotten a Windows key before, so this is not going to be great. But you would search for Windows 10. You should get an ISO file, and that looks like one of those things down there. I have the Windows 10 64-bit. You can get 32-bit. Doesn't really matter. I mean, I think 64 might be better. If you're a Mac, you use 64. Okay, anyhow, let's start up VirtualBox. So I installed it. You guys should know how to install that. I'm sure you guys have that. So let's do new. We're going to call this BMED 440 demo. And what you're going to want is Windows 10 64-bit version here. If you have 16 gigabits, which means that you can go to about this Mac over here and check, oh, look, I have 16 gigabytes. Go up to 4,000 something. Can I type in 4,000? Go back. I actually don't know what the megabyte is. 4 gigabytes, 2 megabytes. It's 4,000, but like there's some extra stuff. Okay, 4 gigabytes. Let's go. Okay, we want the 96 in there. I don't know if that's too important. You're gonna create a virtual hard disk. Then VDI, leave that alone. Yeah, dynamically allocated. That's fine. Blah blah. Okay, so now we have this. Now what we want to do is start. You start the VirtualBox. You want to select the Windows 10. So I think it's gonna. Ooh, I can click this, right? Yeah, I can click this. I can go to add, and then I can go ISO. Wherever your ISO file is, you'll add it. I already have it selected because it remembers me. It's great. Select a virtual. Oh, maybe I have to add another one. Choose this one. Why can't I? Do I need to download another ISO file? Please select a virtual hard disk. Should be suitable for. This is awkward. Oh. Oh, I already. Wait, what? No bootable medium found. Fatal. Oh, that's not good. How do I do? Oh, left command, right? Gets me out. No, left command. There we go. Optical drive. Choose a disk file. Choose this. There we go. You're gonna want to power off the machine. Apparently failed. Okay, so you go to SATA down here. You click on this thing. Go to choose a disk file. Go down to where your ISO file is. Open. Now this should work. I want to say. Oh, that looks promising. Yeah. So you go through the whole Windows setup. Install now. You don't need a product key necessarily. I think Windows lets you use Windows without a product key. I don't have one on me. I think it's, yeah. So click I don't have a product key. Just do Windows Home. That's okay. Keep going. Yep, I accept license terms. Blah blah blah. Go custom. This is something very important. Go next. Gonna copy a Windows file. I think what it's doing is like it's copying Windows and making it into a new virtual disk. I don't exactly know why. It just does that. Later I'm gonna have to log into Canvas, gonna have to download the PSPICE exe because that's a little confusing. Yeah, I'm not gonna edit this video. I'm too lazy to edit the video. So you guys get to watch the boring Windows installation here. There's some background noise, so I think I'll just mute myself as the entire thing goes. Alright, so you have Windows restarting. I don't know why. Windows needs to restart, so keep letting it go. Press any key. Oh, I didn't click anything actually. It just automatically went through. This is the boring Windows update, or not update, the installation process. One thing with this, I think the Windows process is if you don't already have a Microsoft account, you have to make one. Like, apparently the CalPoly.edu one does not count as a Microsoft account, so what I did was I created a Microsoft account with those credentials. Like, I think I put in my password and stuff, but I don't know. I ran into some account errors later on, but it doesn't really matter. It's just to bypass this whole installation process. You know, now that I think of it, I install Windows Home, but I actually have Windows 10 Education. It doesn't really matter because I'm following exactly what I did before. So, ooh, SATA 1, not SATA 2. Okay, Windows just restarted again. I have no idea why. Another thing is if your mouse gets stuck in this window, like right now I'm trying to root around my trackpad, there's a tiny thing, I don't know if you can see it, next to the zoom, ooh, right here. Left command, that's the way to get out of like the screen. If your Mac OS is latest, I think I have Sierra or something like that, or no, I have Catalina. Yeah, Catalina, haven't had to mess with this because it captures the mouse fine. If you drag it out of the window, it comes out, like so. Um, yeah, it's just right now everything's setting up, so it's saying that. Oh no, wait, it just said what I said. Mouse pointer integration, do not capture. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So I'm just saying run. Oh, we got Cortana. Oh yeah. So my view is actually kind of whack. Let's go to view, adjust window size. No, not it. Oh, go to scale 100%. There we go. Yeah, it's tiny. Look at that. So one way to fix this, or kind of a fix, is go to scale mode. So view scale mode, and then it'll stretch the screen. So if you hold down Alt, you hover over the green thing, you can click this, and it should blow up the entire screen. Like so. Yeah, it's really stretched out. Hi there, I'm Cortana. I'm here to help. Yeah, okay. Can we get on with this? Seems to be extreme lag. Maybe I didn't want this view thing. Starting to regret it because it's so laggy. Maybe we want full screen mode? What happens if we do full screen mode? Switch. Oh, tiny. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, go to view, go to like, I don't know, 150. It's fine so far. You know what, let's not mess with anything, just Cortana, what are you doing? Like, I just want to continue. Are you still setting up? Like, I don't even know what's going on. I don't recall taking this long. Oh, so I had to apparently click this thing. Yeah, now Windows is actually starting. So you want this region. Keep going through this installation process. That is the right keyboard. I do not want to add a second keyboard. Important setup to do. Very. Yeah, I'll probably include a timestamp somewhere in the description of this video, so you guys can just like skip all the Windows installation, um, and get to like the actual PSPICE thing. Get the latest from Windows. No, let's skip for now. I really don't need to waste any more time on the installation on this. So if I try clicking next, you'll see that it just simply doesn't let me. So what I had to do was try doing this. It says that does not exist, so I had to get a new one. And then I had to create that. Use or get a new Outlook email. Get a new address. What? No, let's go back. Create account? Outlook email. Really? Really? I don't know how I even got through this at first. Hold on. There should be a way. There's not a way I can just type in a dummy, I guess. What's one? Let's do that. Okay, get a new. Get a password. I actually have. I want to use a phone number instead. Hold on. I don't want to like give my phone number out and then have y'all like spam me. No offense. Kind of only want to certain things, certain groups. Let's do that. Just create a password. Go ahead and enter damn birthday. October 15. Nine. That's right. I am. That is not right. Not go through. I was about to say something. I am turning 20 this year. Click that. Click the checkbox. That's very important. There we go. It actually goes. God. Yeah, I don't know why Microsoft is so obsessed with like just wanting to know everything. So you have to create a pin even. I don't even know what the pin is for, but don't forget it. You might need it. I don't know. This is just so stupid. I don't want to. I want to make that my personal assistant. Yeah, I'll just accept it for all these because I'm going to be deleting this box after this video. You guys can look at options. We can get new things polished up for you. Oh boy, this is fun. Hi. Getting everything ready for you. This might take several minutes. Oh god. Alright, I'm just gonna mute myself while this goes through. Ta-da! Microsoft account problem. Most likely your password change. Select here to fix it. Hell no. We're not fixing that. Okay. let's go to Canvas. Oh wait, it's probably CalPoly. CalPoly.canvas. No, it's Canvas. Canvas.calpoly.edu. Let's go. And we're gonna use Microsoft Edge because I don't want to bother installing Google Chrome. This is just a virtual machine, so I'm not bothered by it. Actually, like, by it. Oh, I don't even know my password. Go. I'll have to go to password manager. Okay, 440. Let's go here. It's PSPICE. PSPICE. Ah, ha 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 ha. We got it. Download. I downloaded this thing twice. Save it. Oh yeah, so now that everything is working, we can probably do scaled mode and then bring it up. Yeah, it's really stretched. It's okay. Alright, view downloads. Don't go view downloads, that's a terrible idea. Here, go to downloads. Oh, look at that. So if you double click this, like he was saying, it's like a unzip thing. It's not a very easy setup wizard thing because it requires you to actually do more stuff and know what you're doing. Fun stuff. Please no one like actually. Okay. Wow, that took a while. So you don't want to save it in a temp. Kind of want it all the way to what you might call it. So just go all the way to that, and then you want download. So that's this folder right here. Unzip. And it's unzipped. Oh my god, that's amazing. Now here's the setup thing he was talking about. So let's actually first do what it suggests and go turn off Windows Defender. My computer will actually this. Defender settings. If you're in a virtual computer, you shouldn't worry about any of this stuff. Just turn it all off. All off. Virus, threat protection, turn that off. Yes. Turn that off. Yes. Okay. Updates? No, it doesn't really matter. I think it's just a virus thing. Okay, you're gonna want to right click setup, run as administrator. That's pretty important because I actually don't know what like the user account administrator thing is. Just run as administrator. Advise to turn off blah 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 blah. So click yes. Click schematics. So this will be the thing that will make the folder. This is where you're gonna access your stuff. I'll show you how to get to it later. So just leave it as B. Go to next. Now you're gonna want this. I think it's like actually gonna fail to make full spice student. Yeah, just grab that. Blah 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 blah. Updating. It's gonna throw that error sometime. Yeah, that's fine. It's completely harmless, as he explained in class. Oh, what I was saying is there's background noise and two. Yeah, it's just background. Okay, so now everything is pretty much there. Let's go to PC. Let's through that. So you're gonna go to local disk, program files, go to orcad_demo, go to PSPICE. It's now, yeah. And then over here, what you're gonna open up is PSPICE. Double click that. Oh my god! Look, it works. I'm actually gonna kill it first. For convenience sake, you might want to do the following. Go to here, create a new folder. It's called, not a new shortcut, shortcut. Stop. Yeah, go away. Okay. Create a new folder. Build circuits. This is where you're gonna put all your stuff. Alright. This, right click that, create shortcut. So that'll be on your desktop. That's very convenient. And the other thing we're going to be using is PSPICE, which is for schematics. So create a shortcut for that. Bam! Okay, let's turn on PSPICE. I think this has to be turned on first, and then PSCAD? Schematic, whatever. Yeah, there it is. Okay. If everything is too big, there are some settings you can do, which are like display. Type it into here, and then change display settings. Personally, I'm fine with the scaled window version. I think it works the best. But you might want to play around with this. I don't know. Ooh, we'll keep those changes. This actually looks. No, actually, it gets really, really small. Like the text on here. So I mean, what you can probably do is mess with this thing and go like 175, so everything's slightly bigger. It might be a little too big, but yeah, this is how you install everything. So don't fix that. Anyhow, I'm gonna close out of everything. Actually, don't close out of it. Go to your VirtualBox, and then this right here, or actually over here, the window that of the actual thing. Go to X, and instead of powering off, save the machine state. And what it's gonna do is basically pause the machine. It's gonna turn off the VirtualBox, so you're not running it anymore. But it's gonna save everything that was in it, inside that session. So as that's finishing up, I guess that'll be the end of this video. I believe, while that's going in the background, I believe you can also search up Windows 10 ISO download. Disk image. You can use this page to find a bunch of ISO files. So you don't have to go to the CalPoly one. I think. Do Windows 10. Confirm or what? Sort of like the product language. United States. Oh, English. Sorry. Yeah, English. That's the language you speak, not United States. Then you're gonna want 64-bit download, possibly. Yeah. So you can just go to Google and download the ISO file, and then just use it for the installation. Now remember, when you start the new box and such, you're gonna click Start for it to initialize, and then you close it. Go to SATA port 1. Click here. Click Choose a disk file. Find your, ISO file, and then hit start after it kills. I can actually demonstrate that. Actually, no, you can see it right here in the preview. Can I make it any bigger? Well, anyhow, it's basically paused. So that is the end of this long video. Thank you for watching it. Delete all files. Just absolutely wipe that. Yeah, hope you guys use this and learn something from it. Thanks for watching. Don't subscribe. I don't post videos on this account. But leave a like. And yeah.